In this video, you'll learn how to automate VLOOKUP with Excel VBA step by step. Start in your workbook with two sheets, Products and Orders, where Orders has an empty price column you need to fill in. Click the Orders tab to make sure you're on that sheet. Now click the Developer tab in the ribbon at the top. Click Visual Basic on the left side of the ribbon to open the VBA editor. In the Project Explorer panel on the left, right-click Sheet 1, Orders, to open the context menu. Click Insert in the menu. Then click Module from the submenu that appears. A new Module 1 window opens with a blank code area. Type your VBA code here. Declare a sub named Fill Prices, loop through each row in the Orders sheet, and use application.VLOOKUP to pull each matching price from the Products sheet into column C. Once your code is in, click the X at the top right to close the editor and return to Excel. Back in the Developer tab, click the Macros button. The macro dialog opens showing your available macros. Click Fill Prices to select it. Click the Run button at the right side of the dialog to execute the macro. A Microsoft Excel message box appears confirming the macro has finished running, and the price column in your orders sheet is now filled in with the looked up values for every row. Click OK to dismiss the message. If the macro returns an error, check that your product ID values in both sheets match exactly. Any extra spaces or slight differences will break the lookup. You can edit the code anytime by opening the Visual Basic editor again and double-clicking Module 1 in the Project Explorer. To run the macro in future, just press Alt F8 to open the macro dialog quickly. If you add more rows to your orders sheet later, simply run the macro again and it'll fill in any blank prices. And that's how to automate VLOOKUP with Excel VBA. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.